Today we are going to see the C problem of the Codeforces contest 4C. In the problem statement, it is given that there is a registration system and user inputs each time the name. If the name does not exist in the database, then we need to save into the database and response OK. If the name is already exist in the database, like the name is exist in the database, then we need to append the number 1. Like we take a string that ABACABA. If it does not exist in the database, then response OK. Now if the user again enters the particular string, then we append 1. The next time user append, then we append 2. So each time the user append name the first time, then response OK, then user again repeats the input, then we output name 1. Again the user enters the same name twice, so we output the name 2. So in this way, we have to formulate the question. There is a constraint then that n is less or equals to 10 raised to 5. So we will not create the database, but we will create the hash map. In C++, there is a concept of unordered map. So we will create it and let's code it. So first of all, we will scan a number of inputs and we will create one hash map, that is unordered map of string and integer. Let's name it hash and let's scan each and every string from the input. So let's found that if our hash map contains that particular string, means the frequency of the string is 0. If is greater than 0, then we will, if the frequency of the string is greater than 0, then we will output that how many number of time the user has entered that string, that frequency of that string, that will be hash of s, and will increment the frequency of the string. Now the user enters new string. If the string does not contain in the database, then we have to response out OK. So let's check against the input. Okay, we have some problem here. Okay, yes, we need to store the string into the database. So when the first time user enters, we need to, its frequency will be 1. So let's check against the input. Okay, it is same as this particular output. Let's check for second input. Let's run. Okay, again it is the same. So let's submit. Okay, so it is accepted. Thank you all.